Hello students, welcome to our class. We are discussing about the fourth topic, angles and pairs of angles. In previous lecture, we have learned that what are the adjacent angles, and also we have done the exercise practice set 15. Okay, now next point in this topic is complementary angles. Complementary angles. So which angles are said to be complementary, we will see. Okay, so what definition of complementary angles is, see the definition: if the sum of measures of two angles is 90 degree, then they are called complementary angles. See what is the definition of complementary angles. The two angles are, when the two angles are said to be complementary, if the sum of measures of that two angles is 90 degree, then we will call that two angles are complementary angles. So see the example. Suppose we will take two angles. Suppose this is angle ABC and its measure, suppose it's of 40 degree, and another angle I will take as angle of measure 50 degree. Okay, and I give it name PQR. Okay, see, I have taken two angles, angle ABC and angle PQR. Now see that measure of angle ABC is 40 degree and measure of angle PQR is 50 degree. Okay, now if we add these two, means the sum of measures of two angles. So see, measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle PQR means sum of measures of these two angles is equal to 40 degree plus 50 degree, and that is equal to 90 degree. So see here, measure of these two angles, sum of measure of these two angle is 90 degree. So therefore we can say that angle ABC and angle PQR are complementary angles. So when we will say that the two angles are complementary, if the sum of measures of these two angles is 90 degree, then we will say that the two angles are complementary. Angle ABC and angle PQR are complementary angles. Or we can say that angle ABC is complement of angle PQR, or we can also say that angle PQR is complement of angle ABC. In both way you can say that, or we can also say that angle ABC and angle PQR are complementary angles, or angle ABC is complement of angle PQR, angle PQR is a complement of angle ABC. So when we will say the two angles are complementary, if the sum of measures of two angles is 90 degree, then we can say that the two angles are complementary angles. Okay, so here angle ABC and angle PQR are complementary angles. Okay, now on the basis of this definition, there is a practice set number 16. Okay, in practice set number 16, question number 1 is uh, the measures of some angles are given, and they have asked to write the measures of their complementary angles. Okay, means find the measures of complementary angles of the following angles. And first angle they have given is 40 degree. Okay, now what is our question? Find the measures of the complementary angles of the following angles. Okay, here we have given measure of one angle, that is 40 degree, and we have to find measure of complementary angle of this. Means we have to find complementary angle of 40 degree. So see, let measure of complementary angle or complementary angle of angle 40 degree is or be x. Means we have suppose that the let x be the measure of complementary angle of this 40 degree. Let measure of complementary angle of angle 40 degree be x. We have to find x. Okay, value of x. So we know that sum of measures of complementary angle sum of measures of complementary angles is equal to 90 degree. We know that sum of measures of complementary angle is equal to 90 degree. Here we have, so here 40 degree and the measure of angle 40 degree and the x are complementary, so their sum means 40 plus x is equal to 90. Okay, and for we have to find x, so put 40 on right side. So here 40 gets minus, and 90 minus 40 gives you 50. So measure of uh, x is equal to 50 degrees. So therefore measure of complementary angle of measure 40 degree is of angle of measure 40 degree is 50 degree. So see what we have understood here. We have here we have to find complement of 40 degree, and see the complement of 40 degree is 50 degree. The measure of complement of 40 degree is 50 degree. Okay, and we have definition of complementary angle. What is definition of complementary angle? The sum of measures of complementary angles is equal to 90 degree, and by this information here 40 degree plus x degree is equal to 90. So 40 plus x is equal to 90, and to find x, 40 get minus and 90 minus 40 gives you 50. As x is the angle, we write here 50 degrees. So measure of complementary angle of measure 40 degree is 50 degree, and Now second angle is 63 degree, and we have to find complement of this angle. So I ask you very short method, we don't have to write addition. Okay, so just to find the complement of this angle, complement of angle 63 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 63 degree. See here, complement of 40 degree is 50 degree, means 90 minus 40. Complement of 40, x is nothing but what? X is nothing but what? Complement of 40, complement of angle 40 degree is, how we will get? 90 minus 40, means we have to subtract this angle from 90. So here, to find complement of angle 63 degree, we just have to subtract 63 degree from 90 degree. Now subtract it, we get 27 degree. So by easily we can find the complement of any angle, just subtract it from 90 degree. See here also, because or if you can find in this way, then also we get this answer. See this is first method, which is very easy. You can find in this way also. Let x be the measure of complement complementary angle of 63 degree, and we know that sum of measure of complementary angle is 90. Therefore x plus 63 degree is equal to 90 degree, and therefore x is equal to 90 degree minus 63 degree, and therefore x is equal to 27 degree. So we get answer 27 degree, that is measure of complementary angle of 63 degrees 27 degree. So just we have to subtract this angle from 90 to find the complement of any angle. Just subtract it from 90 degree, we get the answer. Okay, now third angle is 45 degree. Now what is the measure of complement of angle 45 degree? So measure of complement or measure of complementary angle of angle of measure 45 degree is equal to what? How we will get? Just subtract 45 from 90 degree. So 90 degree minus 45 degree gives you 45 degree. So measure of complementary angle of measure 45 degrees 45 degree. Okay, as like this you can solve question example number 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now there is seventh example is x degree, means they have given measure of angle is x degree, and we have to find its complement. So measure of complement or measure of complementary angle of measure x degree is equal to 90 degree minus x degree, or we can write 90 minus x degree. We don't know what is x here, so just you can write this answer 90 minus x degree. So to find complementary angle of any angle, just subtract it from 90 degree. Okay, and here we have one more information, that sum of measures of complementary angle is 90 degree. Okay, means if two angles are complementary angles, then their sum is 90 degree. Okay, Now there question number 1 is completed. Now there is question number 2. Y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are the measures of complementary angles. Find the measure of each angle. So see that they have given measures of two angles. Measure of first angle is y minus 20 degree and measure of second angle is y plus 30 degree, and they have also given that these two angles are complementary angles. See, y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are the measures of complementary angles, means these two angles are complementary, and if the two angles are complementary, then their sum will be 90 degree. So in answer write, given that y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are complementary angles. It's given information. And okay, so we know that if they are complementary, then their sum will be 90. So sum of these two angles will be 90. So y minus 20 plus y plus 30, sum of measures of these two angles is equal to 90. Okay, now solve it. So y minus 20 plus y plus 30, remove the brackets, is equal to 90. Now y plus y gives you 2y, and minus 20 plus 30, I will write here, minus 20 plus 30 is equal to 90. So here minus 20 plus 30 gives you 10, because you have to subtract 20 from 30. So we get 10 is equal to 90. Therefore 2y is equal to 10 is added here, it gets subtract on RHS. So 2y is equal to 90 minus 10 gives you 80. 90 minus 10 gives 80, and therefore 2y is equal to 80. Now we have to find y first. So here 2 is multiplies to y. Now 2 gets divided and we get answer 40. So we get the value of y is 40. Okay, and we have asked that to find measure of each angle. We have to find measure of each angle. Okay, here we have get value of y. Now to find measure of each angle. Okay, now see, measure of first angle is, what is measure of first angle? Measure of first angle is y minus 20 degree. Now put value of y here, 40 minus 20 degree. Value of y is 40. 40 minus 20 is 20 degree. So measure of first angle is 20 degree. Now measure of second angle. What is measure of second angle? They have given measure of second angle is y plus 30 degree. We have got value of y, put here 40 plus 30 degree, that is equal to 70 degree. See, measure of second angle is 70 degree. And see, 20 degree plus 70 degree, what is 20 plus 70 is 90. So these two angles are complementary. So they have already given these two angles are complementary angles, and we got the measures of these two angles are 20 degree and 70 degree. So whenever in example, if they have say that if two angles are complementary, then their sum will be 90 degree. Just keep only that information in your mind. When two angles are complementary, then their sum will be 90 degree. Okay, Now here practice set 16 is completed, but I will take some more examples for better understanding. Take next example as find angles of measures a plus 15 degree and 2a degree are complementary. What is the measure of each angle? See, here they have given angles of measures a plus 15 degree and 2a degree, means they have given measures of two angles. Measure of first angle is a plus 15 degree and measure of second angle is 2a degree, and we have to find these measures. But to find the measures of each angle, we first have to find a, okay, because a is unknown here. So, and to find a, we use the first condition. What is first condition? They have given that angles of measures a plus 15 degree and 2a degree are complementary. Given that angles of measures a plus 15 degree and 2a degree are complementary, and we know that if the two angles are complementary, then their sum will be 90 degrees. So as these two angles are complementary, therefore their sum means a plus 15 plus 2a, sum will be their sum will be 90 degree. Okay, now solve this. Remove the bracket. A plus 15 plus 2a is equal to 90. A plus 2a gives you 3a plus 15 is equal to 90. Okay, now subtract 15 on RHS. So therefore 3a is equal to 90 minus 15. And what is 90 minus 15? 75. Okay, now to find a, here 3 is multiplied, so 3 getting divided on RHS and we get answer 25. Okay, so value of a is 25. Now we have to find the measure of each angle. Now measure of first angle. So we have given measure of first angle is a plus 15 degree. Now put value of a here, 25 plus 15 degree. 25 plus 15 gives you 40 degree. Okay, so measure of first angle is 40 degree. Now measure of second angle. So what is measure of second angle? 2a degree. Put value of a. So here 2 into a. What is value of a? A is 25 degree. See, 25 to the 50 degree. So measure of second angle is 50 degree. And see, 50 plus 40, 90. Okay, so these are the complementary angles. So as like this, you can solve examples based on complementary angles. Okay, thank you.